Hi, welcome to Spice It Up. Today we're going to make boiled white rice. This is Basmati long grain. That's the one that I use. A lot of people ask about cooking rice. I know that it is difficult sometimes because you can get the grains overboiled. So this time I'm going to use a microwave. So let's get cooking. So I use this, which is for the microwave. And it's easy, you can forget about it when you're cooking other dishes. So I've measured the rice out, and you do simply the same amount of water, like that. It's a colander, and you can see the holes. And in there, we wash it, and then we put the water in. So I've washed the rice, and what I've done is doubled up on the water. If you put 1 cup of rice, and then you can just put 1.5 cups of water, and that keeps it lovely and soft without it going really mushy. So this is now ready. So we're now going to put this in the microwave with the water, which will then start to drain through the colander. I've set the microwave for 22 minutes. You can check it in between if you like, but if for any reason you forget, it's not a problem, it'll cook just nicely. So our rice is done, and here it is, beautifully cooked. And that's the water that you're left with, so it steams the rice beautifully. Everybody's microwave is different, so I put it in for 22 minutes. And as you can see, it's beautifully fluffy. So like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. So I'm now going to go making my next dish, which is green beans. So I'll see you on that video. Thanks.